everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining us. We're going to be doing something a little bit different this week, an unboxing, because I just got this delivered in the mail. The Cryptosteel Capsule. I have a couple of videos out about why I think this product is absolutely essential. Make sure that you check those out. And without further ado, let's unbox. The mother of all backups. Remember to put fastener. Right, the first 3 rows are our letters. In this corner are the separators. They'll go in between each word. You can see them here. Followed by our numbers, symbols, and then finally here are the fasteners. We'll put one of these at the very end. I will go ahead and actually build a word just so you can see how it works. And I'm going to choose Bitcoin as our word. As you can see, there are 2 sides to the tiles. The one side will have the uppercase letter, and then the other side of the tile has the lowercase letter denoted with 2 dots on either side. All right, let's go ahead and start building it. Bitcoin. Remember to use a separator after each word. The most important part is this fastener. At the very end, you'll put it on, hold it, and as you can see, there's an arm that's coming off the fastener. You'll bend it back through the slot. You can see there. Now, this does take a little bit of muscle, so I'm going to show you one that I have already finished. Here it is. Voila. You can see that that is on there, nice and tight. So that's not going to pop off. You would have to use force to actually get that fastener off there. And then once it's on, you can tip your tiles back and forth. They're secure. They're not going anywhere. I do want to make a quick note. This finished Cryptosteel capsule that you're seeing only has 12 words. So if you're using a 24-word seed phrase, you're only going to be able to fit the first 4 letters of each word, which is not a problem because that's all you need to get back into a wallet. Once all of your words are assembled, you can go ahead and close it back up. Twist, twist, twist. It's sleek. inconspicuous, and extremely high quality. Cryptosteel.